Hello students, welcome to the new session. Children, in the last video, I explained the functions of leaf. What are the main function of leaf? Leaf perform transpiration, leaf performs photosynthesis, and also they perform respiration. Now we are going to learn in detail about each of these functions. First we will learn about transpiration. We will learn about transpiration with the help of an activity. For this activity, we require a herb. Herb means a small plant, two transparent polythene bags, and some string. And also it is preferable to do this activity during daytime on a sunny day. On a sunny day means when sunlight is perfectly available. So we need what things? A small healthy plant, two transparent polythene bags, and also we need some string. Now, use a healthy, well-watered plant that has been growing in the sun for this activity. Enclose a leafy branch of the plant in a polythene bag and tie up its mouth. So first what we have to do? We have to make all the requirements ready. Then, enclose the leafy branch of the plant in a polythene bag. Means we will cover one of the leafy branch of the plant with the polythene bag, with one polythene bag, and tie up the mouth. We will tie the mouth of the polythene bag after enclosing a healthy branch of the plant in the bag. Understood? Now, tie up the mouth of the empty polythene bag and keep it also in the sun. So we have taken two polythene bags. One is used for enclosing the branch of the plant, and second polythene bag as empty itself, nothing to enclose inside, as the empty bag. Tie up its mouth also. And this plastic bag also, polythene bag means plastic bag also, we will keep in the sun. So plant is in the sunlight only, and also the other empty polythene bag also we will keep in the sun. Now, observe both the bags after some time. Both the polythene bag, one is tied around the branch of the plant and the other one is empty. Both the polythene bags we will observe after some time. After some time, what we can see? We can see tiny water drops inside the polythene bag that is tied around the branch of the plant. And if you observe the empty polythene bag, nothing will be, no water can be seen inside the bag. It will be empty only. So from where the water came in the polythene bag that is tied around the plant? It came out of the leaves of the plant. We have enclosed the leafy branch of the plant in this polythene bag. And these leaves, they give out water in the form of water vapor. This water vapor condenses and change into water droplets that we can see in the inner surface of the polythene bag. That means the leaves of the plant give out water. And this I have shown the diagram. See, this way here the drops you can see. These are the water drops given out by the leaves. It is mentioned water comes out of the leaves in the form of water vapor. This process is called a transpiration. So what is transpiration? The leaves of the plant give out water in the form of water vapor through stomata. Leaves contain small pores called stomata. And this process of giving out of water by the leaves is called a transpiration. And the plants release a lot of water into the air through this process. Understood about transpiration? Transpiration is the process of giving out water in the form of water vapor by the leaves. Okay, children? I hope you understood about transpiration. Now we will see the next function of the leaf, that is photosynthesis. Leaves prepare their food in the presence of sunlight and with the help of the green colored substance present in them. During this process, they also use water and carbon dioxide from the air. It is called a photosynthesis. So what is photosynthesis? The green leaves of the plant, they prepare their own food in presence of sunlight and with the help of the green colored substance present in them. And during this process of food preparation, they also use water and carbon dioxide. Water will be absorbed by the roots and carbon dioxide they take from the air. So using water and carbon dioxide in presence of sunlight, green leaves of the plant prepare the food. This is called a photosynthesis. And they use carbon dioxide for this purpose and give out a oxygen. Remember very well, during photosynthesis, plants use carbon dioxide and they give out, they release oxygen. And this food prepared by the leaves ultimately gets stored in different parts of the plant as starch. That means the plants prepare the food in the leaves, but this food prepared in the leaves will be transported to other parts of the plant also, and some of the food will be used for the activities of the plant, and remaining food will be stored in different parts of the plant as starch. Okay, children, now we are going to learn an activity which will make you more clear about the starch is produced during photosynthesis. See, for this activity we need a leaf, spirit or alcohol, a beaker, test tube, burner, water, a plate and iodine solution. So many things are needed. First a leaf, then a beaker, test tube, then spirit, water, a plate and also burner for burning. Burning means heating the water. And also iodine solution. Now the first step, put the leaf in a test tube and pour spirit to completely cover the leaf. So we will be taking the test tube. Test tube you may not be knowing. It is used in the laboratory. A test tube glass is made of glass. A glass test tube. Then put the healthy leaf. Should be fully green color. The green colored leaf in this test tube and pour alcohol or spirit into this test tube so that the leaf will be completely covered by the alcohol or the spirit. Now, put the test tube in the beaker half filled with water. Now, we will take a glass beaker. It will be half filled with water. And in this beaker, which contains water, we will put the test tube. We will keep the test tube in the beaker, which is half filled with water. Now, heat the beaker till all the green color from the leaf comes out into the spirit in the test tube. Now we will heat the beaker till all the green color present in the leaf will be completely dissolving in the alcohol or the spirit. When all the green color is completely disappearing from the leaf, then we take out the leaf carefully and wash it in the water. When all the green color will be completely dissolving in spirit, there will not be any green color left in the leaf. That time, take out the leaf very carefully because that time the leaf will be becoming very delicate, very thin. Take out the leaf very carefully and wash it in the clean water. Then carefully keep this leaf on the plate or any flat surface you can give. Then you will be pouring means putting iodine solution onto the leaf. On adding iodine solution, the color of the leaf changes to black. When we add the iodine solution, we can see that the color of the leaf will be changing into black. And already you have learned in the second lesson that when the starch reacts with the iodine, it gives the black color. So here also the color of the leaf changes to black, which means that the leaf contains starch. Okay, children, this activity I will explain one more time. What you have to do? First, the things what is needed: a test tube we need, a beaker, water, plate, a green colored leaf, spirit, and also burner and iodine solution. We will put the leaf in the test tube and we will cover the leaf completely with the alcohol or spirit. Then we will take a glass beaker. It will be half filled with water. We will keep the test tube containing the leaf in it in the beaker. Then we will be heating the water in the beaker, and we will heat the water till the complete green color of the leaf will be disappearing, and this green color will be dissolving in the spirit or the alcohol. When the complete green color disappears from the leaf, we will take out the leaf carefully. Then we will wash it in the clean water, and we will be keeping it on the plate or on the flat surface, and we will pour some iodine solution over it. On adding iodine, we can see the color change on the leaf. It will be changing into black color, which shows the presence of starch. From this, we can conclude that leaves prepare food and store it in the form of starch. That is called a photosynthesis. Process of food preparation by the plant is called a photosynthesis. And also, leaf perform respiration. Respiration means they taking oxygen and they give out carbon dioxide. Remember, during respiration, they take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. But during photosynthesis, just opposite of that, they use carbon dioxide, they take in carbon dioxide and they release oxygen. Okay, children, now in the next session, we will learn about root. Till then, bye.